Hi guys, I have a kind of different haul for you right now. I went to a consignment sale yesterday. It's called Mom to Mom, but I think it's just like a Michigan thing. Basically, it's secondhand or consignment clothes for children, like infants to 18. So I wasn't even going to show them to you because you can't really find them anymore probably, but I thought it was fun to share with you, and I need to take the tags off and wash everything still. So obviously I got these cute little Crocs. They're kind of dirty. They were $3. They're size 7, so hopefully they'll fit Jax this summer. He loves his Crocs right now for the winter, his lined Crocs. So I thought these were so cute. I got those ones, and then these sandals for $1. Old Navy sandals in the same size, I believe, size 7. So cute. So he's got sandals now. These were totally separate. These are from Meijer, but they were on clearance. So if you have a Meijer near you, you might still be able to find these. They were 75% off of that price, so $5 maybe, and they light up. I don't know if I can show you. Oh yeah, you can see it lit up there. I'm trying to hit it on the ground without being too loud, but they're Jurassic World sneakers that light up, also size 7. So the next size or 2 up in his shoe. He tried them on in store. He loves trying on shoes. the weirdest thing to have a toddler enjoy putting on shoes, but I'm not complaining. These are so adorable. For $5, they were perfect. So he's set on shoes for a little while, hopefully. Right now, all he wears is his Halloween Crocs. They're his favorite. And they're easy. But I got him a swimsuit. This is the only new with tags thing I got at the sale. It's like a bunch of garage sales in a gym. So it's new with tags, so that's the original price. I got it in 2T. Hopefully that fits him this summer. I just love the rash guard. It's got the dinosaur spiky hood, just like he had last year. This was $10, so I didn't want to get it because it's obviously not what the sale's made for. It's supposed to be like getting rid of your kids' old clothes, like a garage sale kind of thing. But they obviously got this on clearance and then are reselling it for profit, so I didn't want to buy it for that reason. But I did love this bathing suit. Look at the dinosaurs with the scuba gear. So if it fits him, I think $10 for this bathing suit is still a really great deal, even though obviously they had secondhand bathing suits there that were cheaper, but I really did like that one. I'm going to dump out this Aldi bag. Most of them had bags you could use there, but I just brought an Aldi bag just in case. It was my first time there, so I had no idea what to expect. These 2T pants from, looks like the Walmart brand. Oh no, Falls Creek is Meyer. So it's actually 24 months pants, or 2T. The sticker says 2T and the inside says 24 months. But really cute. Even if he's in pants in the summer, it's still nice to have pants, even if it's hot outside, for lots of things. Yeah, so that's Falls Creek pants. These were only like maybe $2. Some things were 50 cents in here. I want to get all the stickers off before washing them. Most stuff is 2T or 3T in here because I really don't know what he's going to be in summer, because he's in like 18 months right now. So this is 3T from Old Navy, and it's this little shirt with sailboats. It's pretty worn, but it looks comfy and not like stained or with holes or anything that I saw. So that's cool. I think that one was 50 cents or something. This was, $1 or $2. It's another 3T t-shirt by Cat and Jack. You can wear t-shirts any time of year, so whenever he's in 3T, this will work great. This one had some stains, but I really don't care, honestly. Those aren't stains. There's actually orange specks in the shoulder area, but I think down the front had a little spot, but I really don't care. It's a Cat and Jack brand. And it's cute. I got one book for 50 cents. The Biscuit Visits the Big City. Yeah, I just like Biscuit, and I thought this was a cute looking book. So there's that. This is stuck. There's a sticker. I do not want to wash these clothes with those on there. I got these pants. I thought it was funny because he'll match his dad. These are size 2T. Again, from Falls Creek. I'm sure they were $1. And they had a bunch of shorts, but I did not get that many because I was afraid of getting the wrong size and then like he's not wearing them at all. So I didn't want to get too many. There was an admission fee for this. It was $2 to get into the sale. It goes to the school they had it at. These pajamas I'm going to take out of the ribbon. Okay, that was easier than I thought. They did not have too many pajamas there, which is too bad because he needs pajamas. He wears them every day, obviously, powering down for bed. So it's a little robot. I don't know if that robot has a name, but it's a robot, and these are size 3T. It was $1 for the set. Yeah, 3T by Carter, so it it looks like 2 pairs of pants. Oh, a pair of pants, shorts. So 2 pairs of shorts, a pair of pants, and a shirt. That is awesome. I didn't realize, because it was all bundled together like that, that there were 3 pairs of pants. Are they all 3T? We'll see. This is an adventure. It's a surprise to me. They're pretty worn in as well. But okay, so there's a 2T one. Apparently, there's a 2T and a 3T in that size. Interesting. I don't know. Probably didn't come like that, but there you go. So now he's got 2T and 3T pajama shorts, which is cool. Don't have to worry about him outgrowing it, I guess. This awesome Hawaiian shirt was, I'm pretty sure, $2. It doesn't have a size on it, but it was on like the 3T section because it's got like, that's the size, 110. Yeah, but it looks like the size of a 3T shirt. Look at how cute the flamingos are. I love this. I thought it was hilarious. Here's a pair of shorts. And just comfy. They got a drawstring, so I can tie them if they're a little big in the summer, because they are 3T. He's like in 18 months right now, but he'll be in 2T pretty soon. Like some 18-month stuff is too small. So, and it's only, I would say January, but it's actually February right now. So I love these dinosaurs. It's Old Navy brand. Oh, cool. I love Old Navy clothes. This t-shirt. So this was like from like a bunch of different booths. So it was like a garage sale, a giant garage sale where everyone's selling their own stuff. I didn't have that much cash on me, but I was able to use Venmo. Sorry, I will edit that out. I just dropped the phone. I got this cool t-shirt, Blue Theory. I think this is 4T. I think this is the only 4T thing I got. Yeah, it says 4T. I've never heard of that brand, but I love this shirt. I don't know why. I love the dinosaurs. I love the feel of it. How, like, not soft, but just, like, lightweight it is. It's a light t-shirt. So, yeah, I got that in 4T. Like I said, I don't know when he's going to be wearing it, but you can wear this t-shirt any season. Just wear a sweatshirt over it, right? And then, like I said, they had lots of secondhand swimsuits. They just didn't have like matching sets like that for less than $10. So I got these extra swim trunks for him, and they were $1 with some of the other pants, and it's got the mesh inside by Circo. They're obviously pretty worn and dingy, but I just have to wash all these. I'm pretty sure these are 2T. Yeah, they're 2T. Yeah, now I just gotta throw these in the wash. So that's my little, like, thrift haul, basically. I guess it's like going to a thrift store. So this just came today from Amazon for Jackson. His grandma was over yesterday, ordered it for him to be sent to our house. And it's like a sticker book with, I guess, reusable stickers. Says 12 set reusable sticker on like the description line there, so I can open them up and show you guys. But it looks like there's a sheet of monsters and then more animals underneath that, and then this is like the sticker book like background. So it looks like you get 12 sheets of stickers in here. So it's got 2 little envelopes inside of the envelope of all different like animals, and I don't even know what else. And then these things, I don't know how many there are, but so there's dinosaurs, a little background, and then you put stickers on there, and I think they're supposed to be reusable. It does have a warning for 3 and under on there that just says don't swallow stickers. Vehicle, so there's like a little road on the beach. Farm, And this is from Amazon, so I won't really have a link, but because she bought it and sent it to my house, I didn't purchase this, but I think this will be really fun to do with Jackson. They have space, ocean, and wild animals. There's more insects, the mushroom. Hard to do with one hand sometimes. There's a little like fairy garden, monster world. So there must be like a set of stickers to go with each thing. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Desert, forest, and these have like a glossy material that probably attributes to the stickers being reused on them. So I'm guessing if you put those on like regular paper, it won't be reusable. The polar bear igloo world is cute, and then amusement park. I don't even know how many of those are. I have to count them. Okay, so there are 12 little sticker books there, and then after looking at the stickers closer and opening them all up, there is a sheet made for each world. So like there's an amusement park one, insects, jungle or forest animals, whatever, the dinosaurs. It's hard to see since the background is clear, so they don't pop out as much. Space. Oh, the vehicles. I'm gonna have probably just as much fun, or if not more, as Jackson while playing with these. All the farm animals are so adorable. Look at that goat. And then you saw the monsters. Yeah, the polar bear. Ooh, there's a snake. Oh, I hate snakes. Insects. Here's the amusement park one. And then whatever, the jungle. So, oh my gosh, this is going to be so much fun.
takten alla fullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Fullfest hela dagen. Stort och stort, det har vi alltid gjort. Så det är fullfest hela dagen. Takten alla fullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Fullfest hela dagen. Stort och stort, det har vi alltid gjort. Så det magra och tjocka ska ha det bra, ja. Klappa takten alla barn. Fullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Fullfest hela dagen. Stort och stort, det har vi alltid gjort. Så det är goda för att gå glad, ja. Stort och stort, det har vi alltid gjort. Så det är fullfest hela dagen.
So we went to Meijer today again and just got some groceries, and we found this water bottle in the baby section on clearance for $4, and Jackson is gonna love it. It's 18 months plus. It's got the handle and the little straw pops up. How cute is that? I haven't figured out yet if it's dishwasher safe or not. It just says easy clean, but hopefully it is. But $4, amazing deal. We got the last one for him. He's so excited when he saw it. So thankfully I just read through all the instructions and it does say dishwasher safe. So I just started the dishwasher and threw it in there in the top rack, and he just loves it because he loves drinking out of my water bottle with a straw. So now he has his own to drink from. And Valentine's Day is next week, so I would put it in his Valentine's Day basket. I'm so tired, you guys. I need to go to bed, but I wanted to show you this water bottle because I was really excited to find it on clearance today for $4. But I don't even think I'm going to wait till Valentine's Day, which is less than a week away, because he's just really excited. So we'll probably give it to him tomorrow after it's cleaned. So I obviously just showed on my Aldi shop with me or whatever that I got the big thing of K-cups from Aldi. So this is the donut store blend medium roast. You get 36 of them. I think this was $10.99 at Aldi. So basically I did the math, and this is like the same price per pod as getting the ones from Dollar Tree. So now I don't have to worry about searching for the little 4-packs from Dollar Tree, because these are like 32 cents or something. Hi. 32 cents per pod if you break it down, and they are good till 2027. Jackson wanted up, so I'm now holding a toddler. I used one this morning, but the box was open like that, and I don't know if that happened after I got home or if it was like that when I got it in store. So I'm gonna count them just to like see. It doesn't really matter, but I'm gonna count them to see if any fell out, because I don't know why the bottom is broke open. But yeah, it's still really good. Like I said, I just tried one this morning. I'm going to use my second boyfriend balm, bath bomb from Dollar Tree, and see if it's going to be a different charm from the first one that I used. And then I'm going to try my new poppy flavor that I just got from Aldi, the strawberry lemon. I haven't tried this one yet. Also, this is the first charm that I got from the other boyfriend balm. It's a drink marker little guy. Okay, this tastes pretty good cold, like fresh out of the fridge. The strawberry lemon tastes exactly like strawberry lemonade. I'm not complaining. Okay, it looks the same. These things are so weird. I love the color of the bath bomb. This is my last one that I got from Dollar Tree, but I don't think I'm keeping these things. Also, this one never uncurled, and it's been like a month since I used the last one, and they're not even different colors. I got two of the same charm. So if you tried the bath bomb, let me know if you got a different colored guy or something. He's got like the orange bathing suit. I'm probably gonna throw these things out. I just want to see if they were the same or different. And yeah, so I'm just enjoying the bath bomb. Don't really care about the charm. I had just found this at the library. It was in my Amazon cart, and I was looking for it, and we went to the library for story time yesterday, and then I found it, so now I can save the money I was going to order it on Amazon, and it looks really cute. So we got a little book for Valentine's Day for Jackson. Flip through it for you guys. He has the original T-Rex book, Tiny T-Rex, but this is just the Valentine's Day version, so I wanted to flip through it because it doesn't show all the pages on Amazon either. So, I mean, we could get it eventually, but I don't have to get it this year now. We have one. He's got other Valentine's Day books, but I thought this one was really cute. And there was a deal on Amazon, so that's why I was looking at books for him. Yeah, really cute. So that's the other book he has, is the first one, The Tiny T-Rex and the Impossible Hug. And then I guess they have the, in the very dark, too. So they have 2 other books in the collection on there as well.